Hello, this is Yolanta from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. Today I'm going to show you some of the dahlias that grow in my garden. The list of dahlia varieties is almost endless and they boast many different colors and shapes and sizes. Here in zone 6B we are advised to dig them up after the first frost arrives and the foliage changes color. So we should dig them up with some soil and then put them in a dry place such as a cellar. Then in spring, after the frosts are over, we should plant them. So that's what I've been doing for quite a while now. After I plant them, I fertilize them with garden compost, and I also use some slug pellets, anti-slug pellets with iron phosphate, so not those horrible blue pellets. What I find problematic is the need to dig them up and plant them in the spring. It's time consuming. Another thing is staking. I think this traditional, rather primitive form of staking is ineffective and ugly, and I think next year I will have to invest in proper support for the dahlias, because I want the effect to be aesthetic and effective. For example, look, this dahlia, it's a really beautiful dahlia. Look at the color of the flowers. But you see the staking. I'm really ashamed of it, but I don't have to pretend that I'm some super gardener and I've got a perfect garden, because I haven't. Because I'm in the habit of rescuing plants from discounted plants, especially from the local garden center and the local supermarket. So what happened, for example, this spring I saw some discounted tubers. They were extremely cheap. They cost less than €1 each, and they looked as if they were dead. But I decided to buy them. I bought them, I soaked them overnight and planted them in containers. And right now I'm very happy because I've got 3 really beautiful dahlias. They're called cactus dahlias because the flowers end in points. So the petals end in points. So these are cactus dahlias. This year also I've experimented with propagating dahlias from seed, and I'm really pleased at the result. Look, they look really cute. This form of propagating is very easy. I'm really surprised, and it's so cheap that I've decided to do it next year. So I'm going to invest in some dahlia seeds, and I'm going to grow more from seed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.